Today we are talking about how to use ChatGPT-4 free and how to use ChatGPT-4 to generate an image for us. Don't forget to subscribe us to see more tech tips like this. Let's go to the video. First, go to your browser and search for merlin.ai. Click here. Click on Get Start for free. Click Add to Chrome and add extension. Log in here. Select ChatGPT-4 from here. Click here. OK, from here, type a small description of the image you want to generate. And enter. Okay, we have finished generating the image. To see AI tech tips like this, keep us subscribed. Bye-bye.